So thank you for sending the video. That helps so much for me to see what you're doing. I wanted to show you, it looks like, not the first thing that you're doing, but clicking and then dragging is the right way to go about it. So I wanted to show you on mine how that works. So I don't know why your computer's not allowing you to do that. But I'm using a mouse and I'm on a desktop computer. So I click on the first one. I'm leaving my mouse clicked down, and then I drag it over, and then just release, and then go to the next one. So I'm just gonna kind of grab and do it. I don't know why it's not working on yours. Just make sure that when you click on it, that you hold the button down. And try with, it looks like you're working on a laptop, but maybe try on your mouse pad to leave it clicked down when you drag it. Will you let me know if that's any better? I don't know if you have the option of using a different computer and just seeing if that kind of helps it. Making sure that you're using Chrome as your web browser. Sometimes that makes a difference. If you continue to have the problem, then we will need to call Connect, or you can just go through and just email me your answers, and I will just manually enter the grade in. So we'll work around it. I apologize it's not working as it should for you, but don't worry, we'll get you taken care of. Again, thank you so much for sending the video. I hope this kind of shows you that does work, and I've had several students submit it. I just am not sure what the problem is on your end. Have a great day.